With this homemade method, you will be able to enjoy greater comfort and well-being while you relax watching a movie. First, we will select a plastic container and remove its corresponding lid. We will use a heat gun to strategically drill several holes. Next, we will take a smaller bottle and cut it, leaving a funnel that we will place in the center of the container. We will mark its position with a highlighter and, using hot silicone, we will fix the funnel around the hole, securing the piece of plastic. For the next step, we will need a mini electric motor and 2 cables that we will connect to this motor using a heater. Then, we will place a propeller in the center of the motor, securing it carefully. We will cut a pallet into several pieces, and, again using hot silicone, we will fix them on the 3 blades of the propeller. After completing this piece, we will place it in the upper center of the plastic container. We will pass the cables through one of the holes and secure the lid on the plastic. We will continue with the installation of a battery and a connector, which we will fix with hot silicone inside the plastic container. Then, we will connect the positive and negative cables to a timer, tic-tac, also securing them with hot silicone in the container. Finally, we will fill the container with several ice cubes. If desired, several arrows can be added to improve air circulation. And there you have it! Enjoy a homemade cooling system that will help you effectively combat heat while you enjoy your activities.